Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I just completed Break the Targets and Board the Platforms with all characters, and we got this. You can now use the sound test, access it in the data screen. Now I'm going to show you guys what this is. This is a mode, part of Smash 64, that you can be able to test your sound in the game. I worked really hard to get this, so I finally got it. I work really hard. These stages are really hard, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. So we're going to test a few things on it. I'll go down to data. Here you go, sound test. And there you go, there's your sound test. So we're going to play a little, see if I can set the camera down a little bit. Set the camera down somewhere, or the camera can be stabilized. Oh, I think I can paint it up in this basket right here. Making sure you guys can see that. There you go. I'm turning up the volume on the TV, or actually we got it. So that's how you unlock the sound test in Super Smash Bros. 64. Hope you guys enjoy.